Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll be working here on the Ford Fiesta and we'll show you how to remove and replace the VVT, the exhaust VVT sensor. This is for the variable valve timing sensor. So you have two of them, intake and exhaust one. Okay, the intake is right here. We have the video how to do it. This is the exhaust one. So let's get to here first. We'll go ahead, show you how to remove the engine cover and we can start working on it. So what we will need to do, we will need to go ahead and open the hood. Okay, and once you open the hood, guys, okay, we have to remove the engine cover right here. So this engine cover has 4 bushings holding it. So you need to grab with 2 hands and just start pulling on it, but careful not to break it. You have to firmly hold it. Okay, and you can see that's the cover. Okay, that's where the bushings go. Okay, 2 and 2 on this side. You can see they go in this right here. Okay, once the engine cover is off, okay, you can see this is the sensor on the back side, this is the exhaust one. We need to disconnect the wire, the connector, by pressing in on this side, on the inside, and pulling it out. Okay, if it doesn't work, what you have to do, you have to help it a little bit. Okay, but this one is still stuck there. Okay, came out. Okay, you can see this is the thing that you need to press in and pull it out. Now, this is where will be to use an 8mm wrench. Okay, to remove that bolt right here. You can use a ratchet here as well, if you want to. But once you get this one loose, it usually goes by hand, pretty easy. We'll be having more than 200 videos, guys, taking the whole car apart. We already probably uploaded about 100, so make sure you subscribe. If you need anything, let us know, we'll try to make a video for you. Now, when you pull it out, it's important not to twist left and right, just pull it straight out. Okay, it might be stuck because it has seal, O-ring, and if you experience some oil leak, okay, it's because of that seal right here, and it's replaceable, it's just an O-ring seal. You have to be very careful not to get any dust inside there in the hole. And this is the O-ring that I was telling about, so check yours, okay, if you're removing them for something to inspect them or anything like that. Okay, we're going to go ahead and install the replacement one now. Okay, you're going to hear a click. Okay, perfect, when it goes in. And just install the bolt. Make sure you don't drop it. Okay, we're going to get the bolt tight, and last thing will be to connect the wire. The engine cover is pretty simple, you just need to make sure it aligns good. You can see those are here the glides for the bushings, and just push it in. Okay, connector is plugged in. So that's it, guys, thank you for watching, please subscribe and many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.